The hearing begins with a felony defendant learning that prior convictions may eliminate probation as an option.
Okay, this is a state jail felony, which means you are looking at up to 2 years in the state jail. I don't see any prior conviction. Does he have any prior conviction? He's eligible for probation, Don?
He does have prior convictions.
Yes, there's
to my
no
knowledge.
question.
We just, I just met this morning and he was trying to give me a history, but I couldn't determine if they are actually final convictions or not. So that's why I'm asking.
Computer on the felonies, right?
I have a third-degree felony in 2007.
In 2007?
Yes.
For
Possession of a controlled substance.
what?
It was cocaine. I was in high school.
What was that made of? It's still illegal if you're in high school.
Yeah,
Right?
I was a kid. I was just,
That's
What
all
grade were you in?
Judge.
I was a senior. I got kicked out of my senior year.
Why? Because of this?
Because of that. Yeah, I still graduated.
Yeah. No, you were magna cum laude, weren't you?
No,
Lordy, how come?
that's more likely.
No, he's a smart guy. All right. So, what are we gonna do on this one?
Again, that's pronounced.
Is 4 weeks good?
Yes, sir.
And what county was that conviction out of?
I was out of Starr County.
Star, S-T-A-R-R. Okay.
The courtroom is caught off guard when a defendant suddenly requests a DNA test.
And what was the punishment on it? What'd you
They
get?
have gave me 3 years probation. Upon the 3 years, almost completing the full 3 years,
It was revoked?
I was revoked. I ended up doing 7 months safety and another 2 year probation.
Was it deferred or regular probation? Were you found guilty? Did you
Yes.
have a conviction?
Yes.
Okay.
Looks like regular probation.
Well, which means you're not eligible for probation again in a felony in the States. So that's why this says you're not eligible for regular probation with a prior conviction from a jury. And a jury can't give deferred or unadjudicated probation. They don't have that authority. So that kind of closes off some doors of opportunity. Anyway, what we're going to do, we set it for 4 weeks, get a resetting, and just have a seat right here. Okay?
I was trying to defend my lawyer.
Go ahead and
get his DNA test.
A what? DNA test.
Yeah, because
Why? Why do you need a DNA
when I
test?
was a kid, I was taken away from my real family.
Oh, okay. Well, let's worry that's something that's important.
Yeah.
Let's worry about your freedom right now so that you can take care of familial issues. This ought to be your first issue, making sure that you figure out a way to navigate around prison.
I mean,
In this case,
I was just trying to get
Or else
my
family
real name.
we'll just come visit you in prison, which is one way to do it, but he can give you advice. He's a smart guy. But anyway, I'm going to give you a resetting 4 weeks and just have a seat right there. Felix Benoit was reset. Brent, I've got Ernest Thomas.
He claims he was abducted as a child and separated from his real family.
You're Christopher Salinas?
That's
Who are you?
my name.
Christopher Salinas. Where's this file? I don't have this file.
So different last name.
Like my real name.
No, you gave the wrong one.
You are indicted as Christopher Salinas, correct?
Yes.
That's right?
Yeah.
Come on. Don't
No.
Like I can't believe. How do you think you did on this test?
I did not do that.
No, absolute failure. Yeah.
Uh,
You tested positive for THC marijuana. You tested positive for methamphetamine. And to round out the field, you tested positive for amphetamines. That's 3 strikes, you were out.
No, but what are
Your bond is revoked. It is $50,000. Plus, you must have a drug patch as a condition of your bond. We will alert your attorney about this so he can come talk to you and see about how you can fix this mess. But you are free falling. You are free falling.
I can promise.
And I'm sorry, I was speaking. You'll get a chance to speak. We can't both speak. The lady here can't take down when 2 people are speaking over each other. Let me just tell you, methamphetamine is a felony offense, and the district attorney, it's in your system, you're possessing it, and the district attorney will be looking into that as adding another felony charge to this. And that's what's normally done. Shame on you for that. So that's the orders of the court, and you were taken into custody, and your attorney will be alerted. Ernest Thomas,
Now speak. So
what do you have to say?
A second defendant allegedly tests positive for marijuana, methamphetamines, and amphetamines.
now speak. So
What do you have to say?
I just want to tell the court that my name is John Ray Vigash. I've been missing since 1982. I just want a DNA test so that while I'm in prison, I'm under my real name, and maybe my mother's could come and visit me. But I have nobody that supports me. I've been.
How did you get indicted under a different name? I'm sorry. Huh? Oh, he was kidnapped as a child. Okay. Does your attorney know all of that?
Didn't have time to speak to him.
What do you mean you didn't have time? He's been your attorney for a while, huh?
No, this was down their first meeting too.
Did you talk to him? Well, tell him all of that.
I just talked to him briefly.
Tell him, well, he'll go and see you and tell him all of that.
I mean, I tried to tell the jail system that I was abducted as a kid, but they were telling me that I'm trying to get out of this case. I'm like, no, I'm not trying to get out of the case.
You got first of all this is going to be based on the credibility of you. You just got tested for 3 drugs. 2 of those are crimes. 2 of those are felonies. So you're going to have a lot of, credibility issues on this. But you need to tell your lawyer, that's confidential between you and your lawyers, and then he will help navigate you through this mess. But this first thing is you're loaded with illegal drugs. And whatever goes come out of your mouth is not really credible at this stage when you're loaded with drugs. Anything else? That's all. You're in custody.
Because
we'll take care of these problems.
Me that I was healthy. Like, that's why I said.
Did they shoot you with drugs, sir, and cause you to test positive for methamphetamine from a child? Okay, thank you. You can't make this stuff up. This is like.
Voice 5. The judge revokes bond immediately and warns about possible new felony charges.
You can't make this stuff up. This is like, we need to start that one with Once Upon a Time, blank.
It could be.
Ernest Thomas.
See the ones.
We need Ernest. I think they put him in custody. We need him out. Please. Is that Ernest yours? Yeah. Yeah, he adulterated his test.
He's the one. Oh, sorry.
His urine came out ice cold and clear. Normally it's 98.6 degrees, which the way nature intended it to be, but his came out 30 degrees and in chunks.
He was nervous.
He was very hydrated.
Nervous and a little chilly back there.
We're about to bring the jury in here right after this. Okay. They're going to be, okay. They can sit on your lap. Ernest?
The hearing ends with a series of unbelievable explanations that leave the courtroom speechless.